Hi everyone! Join me today for this 10-minute Qigong routine to work on your flexibility and improve your balance. But before we begin, if you like my videos, remember to join my membership site. You get access to all the tutorials, weekly live classes, and you can watch all the popular YouTube videos advertising free. I'll put more information right in this corner so you can go straight to the website. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and straight. Unlock your knees and tuck your tailbone in to relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. Begin with a twist and turn exercise. Keep your feet firm on the ground, starting the momentum from your legs. Your lower back is nice and relaxed and your spine straight. Bring your attention to your spine and mentally extend upwards through the crown of the head. You want to feel grounded through your feet, same time reaching upwards through your spine. Allow your neck and shoulders to relax and your arms gently brush your body. Then lift your toes off the ground, shifting the weight from one leg to another. Keeping your back nice and flat, warm up your legs. Slow it down and come back to center. From here, lift your arms up and reach forward, opening through the shoulder blades. Then gently open your arms to the side to open the chest. Release around your back and reach forward through your fingers. Release the position, go forward, shifting your weight slightly onto your toes, open your chest. Release and go forward. Feel a pleasant stretch across your chest as you open. Feel a nice release as you reach forward through your arms. Notice how your entire spinal column is moving gently. One more time. Release the position and relax for a moment. Then bring your attention to your lower back. Continue with a hip rotation. Keep your palms on your lower back if that feels good. Or you can flip and simply rest the back of your hands on your lower back. Keep the movement slow and steady. Let the hips relax and loosen up, especially if you've been sitting a lot. Feel all the muscles and tendons around and underneath your hip joints. Change the direction. Slow down the movement and come back to center. The next exercise is called marching while bouncing the ball. Lift your leg and your arms simultaneously. Shift the weight and repeat the same on the other side. This movement is fun to do and is also good for your brain as it tests your coordination and balance. When doing this movement, your hands should move on the same time as your legs. When lifting your leg, lift it high enough to make your thigh horizontal. Relax for a moment, then lift one leg with the opposite arm. Release and change sides. This one can be a little tricky, however, stay fully focused on the movement and you'll be okay. One more time on each side. Release and take a moment to breathe and relax your whole body. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in through the nose and let your arms flow down the center as you're guiding the awareness to your belly. From here, move to the lower back. Push it forward to open the chest, look up. Release, go forward, keeping your back nice and flat. Gently brush down the sides of your legs and even touch your toes if you want. Keeping your back nice and straight, reach forward, lifting your arms first, following by the body. Look up, then relax the entire body. Go ahead and repeat, starting from your belly, moving to the lower back. Here's a nice moment to stretch the entire front of the body. Then go forward to stretch the back, down the back of your legs, all the way to the floor. Take a moment to lengthen through your spine. Reach up. Look up, opening your chest to the sky, and release down. Allowing your whole body to relax and loosen up. Repeat twice more. This simple exercise helps to stimulate the two main meridians in the body. When the energy flows smoothly through these meridians, it balances the nervous system and nourishes all the internal organs and glands. Keep your breath slow and relaxed, always inhaling, always exhaling. One more time. Move to the lower back. As you go forward, look up. Release. Go forward and down. Let your hands brush the back of your legs and the front. Keeping your spine nice and long, following your arms, stand up. Release and soften your whole body. To finish, take a few deep breaths in through the nose. Exhale down the center. Breathe in, gathering the energy around you. Exhale, let it flow down the center, all the way to your feet. Breathe in. Breathe out. You might feel the energy washing over your entire body, washing over your mind, your chest, your internal organs, and flowing down to your feet. One more time, take a nice deep breath in. Exhale softly. To close, place both hands on your lower belly and take a moment to concentrate on yourself and the area inside your abdomen. Relax your hands by the side and finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you feel nice and stretched out. If you like my videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.